Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the Market Wrap-Up Show for the weekend of Friday, April 4th, 2008. I'm Joe Kinahan, Chief Derivative Strategist with Thinkorswim. Well, this weekend we talked all week how it would be all about jobs, all about jobs. The jobs report came and went, and the market really didn't move much. In fact, the S&P 500 future was only down $1.50 for the day on Friday. You know, it's like everyone just wanted the weekend to begin, and that's why we start today with a song. A little lover boy for everyone. I was in Canada last week. What better place to play? Everybody's working for the weekend. But anyways, on a more serious note, let's take a look at what did happen. Jobs number was disappointing. We did sell off immediately on that number, but we kind of rallied back, and the market was really in a no man's land for most of the day. Just kind of hung back and forth, back and forth. In the end, as I said, S&P futures down $1.50, Dow Jones Industrials down just over 16 points. On the Dow on Friday, we had 13 advancers, 17 decliners. Our big advancer for the day was Merck, bouncing back after its bad news last week. And our big down move for the day, GM. GM's had a bit of a rough go lately. We've talked about it quite a few times on this program. So we'll have to keep our eye on what continues to happen in GM, down almost 5% in Friday's trade. Now, let's take a look at what's going to happen this week. What are we going to look for? This week, as we've seen in the past, we've seen a lot of numbers over the last few weeks in an overall market-type trade. I think what's interesting about this coming week is stocks are going to have to trade, shall we say, on their own merit. It is going to be the individual stocks because there isn't a lot of market-moving events for the week. I mean, yeah, we have Redbook and things like that, but, you know, those things, shall we call them background-type noise? They're not really huge numbers unless they come in with a giant surprise. But, so, since there isn't that case of giant numbers for the market, the stocks trade on their own. With the stocks trading on their own, there is one major event this week, and that's on Friday. GE comes out with their earnings. I consider GE a good bellwether stock when it comes to earnings. It's a multinational corporation, obviously well respected everywhere. So we'll keep our eyes on that. For the overall market, let's hope, you know, another good week. We have our last 2 weeks of April expiration coming up. We have tax season coming up. As always, thank you for joining us. Good trading, good health. I'm Joe Kinahan, Chief Derivative Strategist with Thinkorswim. And good night, everyone.